stop, Astra Promenade.
I need several tickets, please. Thanks.
Last week's episode of Winter of Passion had so many twists and turns.
Next stop, Zellerman Research Center.
Did you see the last episode?
No, don't spoil it for me. What was it again? Gruyère. Gruyère? Oh, right. It was Gruyère.
Next stop, Zellerman Research Center.
Right on time. Thanks. May I have a ticket, please?
Goodbye.
Thank you.
One ticket, please. Thanks.
What? Oh, here you...
Here's the ticket. Oh, here you go.
Of course.
Hold on. I already showed you.
Tim's birthday party yesterday shouldn't have stayed.
Next stop, North Spoke.
Hey, did you see the latest episode of Winter of Passion?
Yes, of course. I would never have thought Hans would do that.
Next stop, North Spoke.
See ya.
Did you catch the concert last night at the old sawmill? The band seemed to be just sleepwalking their way through it. Horrible. Oh no, I forgot it.
Of course. Here you go.
Sure. Here.
Next stop, South Spoke.
Did that chicken just cross the road?
Next stop, South Spoke.
Very punctual. Thank you.
A ticket, please. Thank you.
You really need to see the view down at the harbor.
Next stop, Stalker Square. Last stop. Please leave the bus.
What is Beethoven's favorite
Next
food?
stop,
A banana.
Stockers Square. Last stop. Please leave
A
the bus.
banana! Well, perfect parking.